Whether you are a CEO or a technology leader, the reality of bringing new business value to your clients can be costly, considering the effort and the right talent it takes to bring ideas successfully to today's high-paced market. As more companies aim to stay cash flow positive, it becomes a challenge to prepare to pivot to a new client value stream to gain more revenue and market share with limited talent capacity. U.S. companies need a better approach with a manageable all-in-one solution to be always ready and always on with the right people, doing the right things at the right time. Introducing TeamStaiton, an AI-driven platform that revolutionizes how U.S. companies access and efficiently manage their Latam nearshore technical talent supply chain cost-effectively. The platform enables access to a sizable aligned talent pool. Maximize your product development speed. Optimize cash flow by reducing costs while delivering more technical value. Our platform is easy to implement, integrate, run, manage, and scale on demand. With TeamStaiton, you can build symbiotic Latam nearshore technology teams that are aligned with your technology stack, compatible with your company culture, in sync with your time zone, understand your market. The platform process drastically reduces the time it takes to build high-performing teams. TeamStaiton offers automated AI-driven talent matching, seamless integration with your existing processes, predictable and manageable talent supply chain, scalable on-demand availability that delivers greater alignment accuracy and at a much greater velocity, onboarding automation, talent retention and upskilling. Access global offices where your talent is located. Don't let talent shortages hold you back. Accelerate your growth with TeamStaiton, the ultimate platform for accessing and managing your Latam nearshore technical operations at a touch of a button. Visit our website to learn more and schedule a demo.